Now I would like to explain that experiment number 4, implementation of single linked list. To demonstrate the working of single linked list using arrays, first start. First we create a class node to provide the node data structure. Then inside that initialize data and data address using init constructor. Then create another class singly linked list inside to perform all operations on singly linked list. Inside the class initialize head equal to none using init constructor. Then define function in front and insert a new node to the first position of the linked list. Then the function create a new node using node class with data given by user and insert that in the first. Then position and full stop open brackets new node dot next address equal to head comma head equal to new node. Then define another function insert end brackets to insert a new node at the end of the linked list and inside that function check the linked list is empty, so the call insert front function using data. Otherwise through the linked list the last node using loop and insert a new node at the last. Then equal to position temp dot next address equal to p dot next address equal to new node. Define the function after the new node after particular element key in the linked list. Then inside the function check the linked list is empty. If so, print it is empty. Otherwise using while loop transfers the node which a new node insert it their new node equal to next dot address equal to p dot next dot address equal to new node and define another function delete to delete the node after position entered the user. Inside that function check the linked list is empty, so prints list empty. Otherwise using while loop transfers the node previous to the one to the deleted and it initialize p dot next address equal to p dot next address dot next address. But if position is equals to 0, first element head equal to head dot next and if p is none print position not found. Then define a function display to display the element in the linked list using while loop. Then create an object for a single linked list. In that using while loop display all the operations available in linked list and get the user choice. Then it corresponds to the choice function defined above for a particular user to the choice break from the loop. Then it stops the program.